What is the best way to track a UPS truck?
Hello there. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that is really important for all of us who frequently order online, tracking a UPS truck. It's always great to know exactly when your package will arrive, isn't it? But the question is, how can you track a UPS truck effectively? Let's dive in and find out.
What is UPS My Choice?
The first thing we need to understand is UPS My Choice. This is a service provided by UPS which gives you more control over your deliveries. With a UPS My Choice membership, you can get an approximate delivery time and adjust the delivery if necessary. It also allows you to track your packages on a live map, giving you an approximate location of your UPS vehicle.
How to sign up for UPS My Choice?
Signing up for UPS My Choice is straightforward. You simply need to go to the UPS website and navigate to the My Choice section. After providing your personal details, like your name, address, and phone number, you can create your account. Remember, there is a free version and a premium version. The premium version, with a small monthly fee, offers more detailed tracking options.
How to use UPS My Choice for tracking?
Now that you're signed up, it's time to use UPS My Choice for tracking. Once your package is out for delivery, you will receive a notification with a tracking number. You can use this tracking number on the UPS website to follow the delivery vehicle. Keep in mind that the live map feature is not real-time. It updates every 2 to 3 minutes and gives an approximate location of the truck, not an exact GPS location.
Are there alternatives?
Yes, there are alternatives if you're not a fan of UPS My Choice. You can use independent tracking websites that work with the tracking number you get from UPS. These sites offer information on the package's current status and estimated delivery time. However, these sites generally do not provide a live map tracking feature like UPS My Choice. In summary, if you want to track a UPS truck, the most effective way is to sign up for UPS My Choice. This will allow you to view an approximate location of your package on a live map. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and that it makes your online shopping experience just a little bit easier. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks.